Hello everybody. Well, now is the time. Just before Christmas, I put up a little video asking for suggestions for this beautiful little vase, thick, heavy crystal. And I was inundated with the most amazing suggestions, which I absolutely loved, and I'm very grateful for. Thank you everybody. They came by Facebook, YouTube, emails, etc. Some of the suggestions I will run through: roses, flowers, mountains, animals, football memorabilia, which I won't go to, by the way, because of copyright, so I just don't go there, unless of course the football club themselves ask. Greek mythology, fishing, fairy tales, an elderly gentleman sitting on a bench with a dog in a park. I think that's quite sweet. The galaxy, stars, planets, etc. Lovely subject. Fish eagle catching a tiger fish. I've done that many times before. Coming from Zimbabwe, of course, that's a great subject. Highland cow, dolphins leaping through the waves, and I have got a couple of really beautiful crystal blue overlay bowls which I could use for that subject, so I'm keeping that in mind. A working self-portrait, that was an interesting one. In other words, a portrait, me doing my engraving. I can, yeah, why not? Anyway, underwater scene, fairies again, a queen bee. I've done lots of bees. Bees are a great subject, I love them. Ice skaters, yeah. Teddy bears, probably not, but I do like the ice skaters idea. Anyway, what stood out for me more than anything else was the idea of a hand holding a sphere with a wizard trapped inside it. And I thought, oh yeah, love fantasy, because really you can make it up. And then I thought I would use that, change it slightly. Instead of a hand, a claw. I do a lot of dragons, love dragons, because you can make them up as well. And this is really nice and thick and heavy, so I can get really stuck into it with what is called intaglio engraving, so really carving deeply into it. You know, a great big claw coming round from the back to the front, big talons, lots of texture on the skin, holding this beautiful sphere. And the sphere, to get it perfect, I would sandblast it. So yeah, that adds a little bit of sandblasting in there. That'll be interesting. And I thought trapped inside the sphere, to bring in the fairy theme, is a fairy. Why not? A little fairy trying to get out of this bubble that the dragon is holding. I think that'll be great fun. So now I'm going to start doing the artwork for this, and I'm going to be filming the process and taking photographs, obviously. And so I think interesting, because the fairy, we can even touch on how to do very, very gentle engraving for the wings, because you don't want thick, deep engraving for wings. They have to look barely there, I think. So altogether, an interesting process, and I look forward to sharing it with you, and I hope you can learn lots from it. And there you go. Thank you very much once again. Here's to a great 2018. And one more thing. 3 people that I'm using the ideas from are a chap called Burnaby, and I'm really sorry if I have mispronounced that. It looks like Burnaby to me, and that was the main theme of the hand and the sphere. And Nicole, also on Facebook, and Critter Lover on YouTube. And the 3 of you, I will eventually contact you, and I will produce a photograph of the final piece and sign that and send it to you. Alrighty then, thank you.